Hey guys, this is Wednesday. I got 1,
Why does Dracula have no friends?
2, but not 2, 3. This one came from Disneyland. This one was from Awsome's birthday party. This one was from my aunt's. No. If you guys know Relay, I got it there. It's all 3 spinners.
What do soda-loving spiders like to eat? Pop flies.
If you want to see more fidget spinners, if you want to see more fidget spinner videos, comment down below. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.